All life on Earth is carbon-based, not this guy. I mean, whatever he runs on, it's not on a periodic table.
You're saying he's not from around here?
Hey, how's your eye?
Well, I'd say fine, but it can't believe what it's seeing.
You say this thing looked like Coulson.
Talk like him, too.
And the woman said that there were more?
The word she used was infiltration.
You believe her?
Not till I saw this.
What's your plan?
Find Blockbuster Girl. I got word on a motorcycle thief that fits her description. She can tell us why these lizards are here. Maybe she can tell us how to kick them to the curb.
Good. Do it alone, though. We can't trust anyone. Not even our own men.
Yes, sir.
Wow. They're ugly bastards, aren't they?
Yeah, well, he's no Brad Pitt, sir.
Safe journey to the beyond, my friend. I will finish what we started.
I wouldn't get too close there, boss.
No one in or out.
I'm only happy when it rains.